technology buzzword metaverse was introduced 30 years ago. This is not something that came out just today. It has been part of science fiction and was introduced by fiction writer Neil Stephenson in 1992 in his novel Snow Crash. During that time, Stephenson was already aware of the technologies that would make the metaverse a reality, such as the augmented and the virtual reality. What he does not imagine was the influx and the explosion of big data, the ultra-fast networks, whatever we call it, artificial intelligence that are already visible today, where everything is connected, stored, and being analyzed. 30 years after, the concept of virtual world are now becoming a reality with the aid of advanced technologies such as the artificial intelligence, blockchain, virtual reality, and the augmented reality. Giant technology organizations here and abroad are now developing metaverse. Thus, the rise of data-driven professions such as data analysts to start with, data scientist, machine learning developer, machine learning architect, data engineer, data architect, and the like. Microsoft, Bentley, Imagine 4D, and many others are now part of Digital Twin Consortium. Could you imagine how many billions of sensors are being installed today to appliances, cars, trains, machines, traffic lights, airports, etc.? The data collected from these sensors can help provide preventive and predictive maintenance and improvements for many products and services that we have today to assist in decision making. Drilling down data will make us more informed and can assist us with our decisions and business strategies. This is the reason why the demand for a data analyst, data scientist are skyrocketing. I would like to take this opportunity to invite each and everyone to become part and parcel of a free webinars, which I am going to facilitate in the next coming weeks. In this webinar, together with the invited experts and luminaries in the field, we'll discuss about how to become a data analyst in easy way. And of course, learning from the scratch. We will make sure to benefit everyone, to benefit beginners and shifters in data analytics. We will answer all questions about the skills, the tools expected for a data analyst. If you don't have background in statistics, if you have no knowledge in SQL, Python, Power BI, etc. If you are a shifter from other areas of specialization, and all useful guide in order for you to become part of the bandwagon of data-driven professionals. All you need to do is to attend in the webinar that we are going to facilitate by going through the description of this video and register yourself. Feel free to ask questions in the comment sections and we will try our very best to answer all of these questions. Thank you and have a great day.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to today's webinar. So glad that you can make it today and we really appreciate your time. Okay, so you are in for a treat today. Today, we are going to learn how to start in data analytics, a step-by-step instruction. And we will have such an inspiring webinar today with 3 personal success stories in data analytics in one go. So we will have 3 speakers today who will be talking about their journey in data analytics, and you get to ask questions, okay, in case you are curious about this profession. And at the end of today's webinar, we'll give you a little gift as you participate and get a guide for your 5 steps to start a career in data analytics. Okay, we're going to move on to our next speaker, and hopefully some of your more technical questions get answered as well. Okay, so our next speaker has more than 12 years of extensive experience, and he is very well versed in research, statistics, econometric modeling, machine learning, AI, and I'm sure many more. He is also well versed in all these programs and languages that you can see now. And I will give him more time to talk about himself, actually. So let's welcome Mr. Hiro Tolosa. Hi, Hiro.
Hi, good afternoon. Yes.
Welcome. All right, now let's move on with our last speaker for the day. And I'm sure you guys will also be inspired with his story. Okay, so he is a data scientist and an AI enthusiast with more than 8 years of experience. He is an author on the different e-learning platforms, and I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with these platforms already. He is also a book author in research and statistics and a senior professor in a university handling statistics-related subject courses. Now, he's a senior business insights manager, a YouTube content creator, and a website developer. Very, very multi-passionate speaker for today. Let me introduce to you Mr. Vincent Bongolan. Hi, Vincent.
Hello, Tabitha.
I'll
Good
give the mic
afternoon,
to you.
everyone. Yeah, can you hear me clear?
Yes, you're good to go.
All right.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's webinar. How are you all doing today? All right, so we are all here to learn how to become a data analyst from scratch. It's a pleasure to be with you tonight, and thank you for taking your time and your evening to learn with us this evening. So we will learn how to build your career in digital analytics on a very firm foundation. And I will be introducing our speaker later on. Okay, so before anything else, let me just introduce myself. My name is Tabitha Hamlang, and I will be your webinar host for this evening. Good evening, good evening. Okay, so how do we use our webinar tonight?